What's up? So Appetite up here. I do want to apologize, guys. I have not actually made a top tweets video in about 7.5 months, I would say. No, probably close to 8 months. So I do want to apologize for that, guys. I actually been in the military. I've been away at the Army during doing basic training and AIT. So I've been away for the last 7 months doing that. I just got home about a week ago, and I've been really busy. Still am busy, but I finally found time to make a video for you guys. And just to let you guys know, I am totally back. So you're gonna see more consistent uploads from me. But I will be busy, so you might not see upload every day. I usually premiere videos. So if I can't make a video, usually I'm always like ahead. I wish I get ahead so I can always premiere videos. So at least I upload a video every couple of days on the channel. But you guys, let's begin the video. Enough of me talking. The first tweak is called Magical Scroll Bars. And with this tweak, add some spicier scroll bars. It brings them to life. So it's compatible with iOS 13 and 14. Lets you choose two different colors with transition to one another, making a magical experience for your scroll bar. So it works in all apps. This tweak is a theme called Blur Splash version 1.0. And it's a minimal, dope combos theme with an awesome wallpaper. Next is called No Face ID Lock version 1.0. Removes the Face ID lock. Next week is called Settings Buttons and adds useful buttons to the navigation bar in the Settings app. It's compatible with iOS 13 and iOS 14. Gives you a useful way of toggling dark mode, safe mode, or restraint straight from the settings with a very clean look. Next week is called Marriage version 1.9. It's an iOS modern glyphs theme with a beautiful gradients. So you have 540 icons, modern badges, fully themed settings, icon requests for fill promptly, animated respring logo, and marriage wallpaper. That's what it looks like. Next is called Music Artwork No Corners and removes the artwork corners. Next is called Music Lyrics Share. Long press lyrics in the Apple Music to share. Next week is called Center Labels and center all labels in the settings page. Next is called Centaur and reimagining your notification center. This is called No Music Label. With iOS 8 to 14, it gives you the option to hide or make small the labels from the music to the lock screen. This is called No Music Volume Knob and moves the knob on the volume. This is called No Music Shape Underline. Toggle underline of labels and buttons when the buttons shape accessibility option is enabled. This is called No Buttons When Playing and removes the quick action buttons. This is called Pop Lock and Drop It. The main purpose of this tweak. Fortunately, this doesn't want to look at the description, so I cannot see the full description of the tweak. This is called No Swipe Up to Unlock 13 and hide the swipe up to unlock labels on the iOS 13 lock screen. This tweak is called No Switch or Cache. Removes the cache of these snapshots. This tweak is called Mac Pass, Mac OS login screen for iOS. Pretty cool. So you get the Mac login screen for your iOS device.